Want to go to abroad but facing a language barrier? We've got you covered. Hello everyone, I'm Purvi from FB4I Classes and I will be teaching you basic salutations in French today. Let's start. The first one is Bonjour, which means hello or good morning. Repeat the pronunciation after me to ace it. Okay, Bonjour, which means hello or good morning. The next one is Bonsoir, which means good evening. Soir means evening. So bonsoir is good evening. The next one is salut. Salut means hi and bye, both. It depends on where you're using it in your conversation. If you start your conversation with salut, it means hi. And if you use it at the end, it means bye. It has two meanings, okay? The next one, au revoir, means goodbye. Repeat after me, au revoir, which means goodbye. The next one is madame. Madame means ma'am or madam. Madame. You could also say mademoiselle, but that's a little more complicated. We are on the basic side, so we'll say madame, which means ma'am or madam. The next one, monsieur, sir or mister. This means sir or mister. How are you supposed to say it? Monsieur. Okay. The next one, comment tu t'appelles. Comment tu t'appelles, which means what is your name. Now you must have a question. Why is it I? I refers to informal. How are we supposed to use it informally? With people who are of your age or to your friends. But if you're talking to somebody who's elder than you or you want to make a formal conversation, that's when you say comment vous appelez-vous, which also means what is your name. So formal and informal, two different usages. That's it, okay? So comment tu t'appelles, which means what is your name informally. Comment vous appelez-vous is what is your name formally. Okay, how you're supposed to answer it? Je m'appelle Purvi Khatri. Et toi? My name is Purvi Khatri. And yours? Toi is informal, and because I is written also, of course, it tells you, but toi refers to informal, okay? So when you're talking to people who are of your age or to your friends, you could say toi. But if you're talking to somebody who's elder than you or you want a formal conversation, that's when you will use vous. So how are you supposed to say it? Je m'appelle Purvi Khatri et vous, okay? That's how the tone also changes of the conversation. The next one, comment allez-vous? To older people, you say this to elder people, comment allez-vous, which means how are you. Comment allez-vous means how are you. Also, comment ça va and ça va with a question mark is how are you, okay? So there are different phrases that you could use for how are you. To elder people, you will say comment allez-vous, and for an informal conversation or even formally as well, you could say comment ça va or ça va. This is not ka, but this is sa. Hindi letter sa, okay? This is not ka, but this is sa, okay? Comment ça va. The next one, bien and ça va, both mean fine, okay? Bien and ça va, both have the same meaning, fine. Bien, B-I-E-N is bien, and this one is ça va, okay? That's the meaning. Ça va bien, merci. Ça va bien, merci is very well, thank you. So you discover one new word. Merci is thank you. Ça va bien, merci is very well, thank you. The next one, ça va mal, which means not well. Ça va, and this is mal, okay? Ça va mal is not well. The next one, merci. We just discovered merci is thank you. This is merci. And this one is ça va mal, which means not well, okay? The next one, bienvenue, which is welcome. Thank you is merci and bienvenue is welcome. The next one, à bientôt. À bientôt, which means see you soon. Bienvenue is welcome and à bientôt is see you soon. So we end here for today's salutations. What's written here is merci beaucoup pour regarder. Thank you so much for watching. Merci, thank you. Beaucoup, so much. Pour, for, and regarder is watching. You're learning new words every time we switch to a next slide, okay? Merci beaucoup pour regarder. Thank you so much for watching. À bientôt dans la prochaine video, which means see you in the next video. Another new word learnt. Prochaine means next. Prochaine means next. And regarder means watching. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll come up with a new set of salutations in the next video. Hope you liked it, and if this was helpful to you, please let us know in the comment section below. And if you knew some of them already, please put that down also in the comment section. Thank you for watching.